Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to organize your conversations, group related threads, and manage your research like a pro, creating a collection in Perplexity AI is a powerful feature you should use. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to create a collection in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, go to perplexity.ai, okay, or open the mobile app, okay, and log into your account and get ready to organize. Okay, so now access collections. So look for collection sections. Okay, so usually in the sidebar menu, so open it and create a new collection. So click new collection or create collection, start a new one, creation started. Okay, so now, name your collection, choose a clear name, for example, AI research, study notes, coding projects, okay? Keep it simple because that should be easy identification, okay? Add a description, so this is optional. Write what the collection is about, helps later, so it helps you later on, okay? And save the collection. So click save or create, your collection is ready, okay? So created successfully. Okay, so manage your collection so you can add more threads, remove threads, edit name, keep it clean, okay, and maintain it. Okay, you can also access your collection, so go to collection section, click your collection and see all related threads, okay, and use it for projects, ideal for study topics, work research, content creation, and so on. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.